Hey everyone, it's me, Matt. Welcome back. So in today's video, I'm helping my friend by planting up a big container of winter flowering annuals for the side entry to her house. So this is the same friend that I helped with the front porch and lawn makeovers a few months back, and she's asked me to help bring some winter color to her side door. I'm gonna plant up the container with 3 different varieties of plants, but be sure to stick around to the end because I'm gonna review some more of my favorite winter annuals that you can add to your yard to add some winter interest and color. So let's get into it. So first off, I wanted to give you a quick update on the front porch and lawn areas. So the lawn maintenance crew actually just left a little bit ago. You can see how beautiful this grass looks. It's such a vibrant green and it's so full. This annual ryegrass has such beautiful color and texture, and I love the way it looks up against the navy blue house. Panning across the front porch, you can see how great the planters are looking. If you saw the original planting video, then you know that I planted coleus in the shorter black containers and Super Tunia Vista bubblegum and sweet potato vines in the taller gray containers. All the plants are doing amazing. They've put on so much size. The Super Tunias and the sweet potato vines are spilling out over the gray containers. They're looking so beautiful, and those coleus plants are looking so full and so healthy. And then the sword ferns up under the front porch are looking beautiful as well. So back to today's project. Here's the ceramic container that I'll be working with. It's a pretty big container. It's got a 15-inch diameter, so I'll be able to pack in a ton of plants. It's also got a drain hole, which is necessary since it's going to be placed outside exposed to the elements. Before I review the 3 plant varieties that I'm going to be using today, I'm going to quickly fill the container with potting soil and amend it with a granular slow-release fertilizer. All right, the container is good to go with soil and fertilizer. So if you've seen any of my other planting videos, you know I always amend my potting soil with fertilizer. I think it's a really good practice because it gives the new plants a really big boost of energy immediately after planting. These are the plants I'll be working with today. I'm so excited. You can see there's such a beautiful combination of colors and textures. The first plant variety I've got here today is this purple snapdragon. You can see the hints of yellow and white in the centers. So this plant needs at least 6 hours of sun per day. It'll grow to be about 10 to 12 inches tall and wide, and it's hardy down to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. The next plant variety I've got are these yellow violas, so they also need at least 6 hours of sun per day. They'll grow to be about 8 inches tall and up to 10 to 12 inches wide, and they also are hardy down to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. The last plant I'll be using in today's container project is this icicles helichrysum. It's actually a non-flowering plant, but it's got this beautiful icy silver foliage. It needs at least 4 to 6 hours of sun per day. It'll grow to be about 6 to 8 inches tall and up to 12 inches wide, and it's hardy down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Altogether, these plants are going to look so beautiful in the white container, so let's get them all planted in. There we go. I cleaned up the container a little bit. I wiped the edges, got some of that dirt off, but I think it looks so great. I'm so happy with how it turned out. You can see I planted the 3 purple snapdragons in the center and then surrounded them with the yellow violas and the icicles helichrysum. If you're familiar with the thrill, fill, spill container planting technique, I use the snapdragons as my thrill plant with their height and unique colorful blooms. And then I use the yellow violas as my fill plant since they'll stay low and they've got a bushier growth habit. And then the spill plant is my icicles helichrysum, so as they grow, they're gonna spill out over the edge of the container, adding a really nice contrast against the white pot. So let me really quick move the container over to its final home over by the side entry door, and then I'll review 4 more flowering annuals that you can add to your yard for some winter color and interest. All right, here's the container's final home. You saw me give it a big drink of water so you can see all the water's coming out of the bottom drain hole. But overall, I think it looks so great next to the side entry. It's a really nice accent as you enter and exit the house. The colors really pop and look so vibrant against the dark blue house. I think my friend is really gonna be happy with how this container turned out. So aside from the snapdragons, violas, and icicles helichrysum that I used in today's project, here's a list of 4 additional winter flowering annuals that you should consider for your yard. My first recommendation is Dusty Miller. It's got this beautiful icy silver leaf color. It needs at least 6 hours of sun per day. It'll grow to be about 12 inches tall and wide and is hardy down to 28 degrees Fahrenheit. So Dusty Miller can be used as a thrill or a fill plant if it's being planted in containers. The second plant I recommend are pansies. Their blooms look similar to the violas, but they're much larger. They come in a variety of colors too. They'll grow to be about 6 to 9 inches tall and wide. They do well in full sun and partial shade, and they're hardy down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Typically, I use pansies as a fill plant when planted in containers. The third plant on my additional recommendation list are petunias. So they come in a variety of colors too. They need at least 6 hours of sun per day, and they can grow to be about 10 to 12 inches tall and wide. They're also hardy down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and petunias also make great fill plants when planted in containers. The last plant on my winter flowering plants list is alyssum. So most of the time alyssum is sold with white flowers, but I have seen a variety with purple flowers. Alyssum needs at least 6 hours of sun per day. It can get to be about 5 inches tall, but spreads to be about 12 inches wide, and it's hardy down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. In containers, alyssum makes a really good spill plant. So all of the plants discussed in today's video do really well in colder temperatures, but make sure to protect them if temperatures drop below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. If planted in containers, you can actually bring the containers inside your house or garage, or you can cover them with a frost cloth and leave them outside. You can actually use a frost cloth on any plants that you plant directly in the ground. I'll make sure to link the frost cloth that I use in the video description for reference. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video and found the discussion on winter flowering plants useful. I hope I've inspired you to plant some winter flowers in your yard. If you enjoyed this video, hit those like and subscribe buttons. I'd greatly appreciate your support. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.